Hi guys! So, right now, we are visiting sites again here in Calamba, Laguna. So, we are currently here at Carmel Ridge, located in just a few minutes away from the Turbina exit. So, why are we here? No, kasi isa pa to sa mga may pinakamaraming inventories, no, para sa mga naghahanap ng lote sa inyo. Nang hindi ganun kalaki, no, yung price and yung cuts ng lots. So, makikita natin kung ano yung mga ina-offer nila dito. So, first, we are here sa may clubhouse muna to see their amenities, no, or what they have to offer for the clients or the homeowners and what kind of maintenance they are doing right now. Kasi nasaktuhan din namin na nag-repaint sila, no, ng mga amenities like the court, the basketball court, the badminton court, no, and also yung pool na parang hindi siya tumanda, no, or itong project mismo, the whole project itself. So, right now is March 27, 2025, currently 10 o'clock in the morning, and this video is just for you na makita mo na may inventories pa dito, especially kung gusto mo ng hindi ganun kalaki yung lot size at hindi ganun kalaki yung binabayaran mo per square, no, kasi itong Carmel Ridge has the lowest price, no, dito sa may Calamba area. Ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung mga accessibilities niya and also yung available lots nila here in this project. So, bye-bye! About this project is yung clubhouse nila mismo or yung function hall, meron siyang makiling view. So yung first, meron pa sa taas. Let's see. And sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, meron siyang sariling makiling view. So ipapakita ko rin sa inyo. Hindi lang masyadong makikita ngayon yung mismo Mount Makiling. Medyo cloudy lang kasi ngayon. But we are now here. Yan, at the second floor. Yan. Diba? Look! So in this side, kapag taas mo, on your right side, is the pool view, the amenity view. Tapos meron pa silang terrace dyan sa labas. Could be another space, no, or a space for foods, ganyan, kapag nag-celebrate ka dito ng debut, or baptisms ng anak mo, or mga birthdays, no. So, in this side naman, sa front, is a view of houses. Yan, isa to sa gawa ng houses dito. And the most and the very favorite part is this side, the lots or the houses here. But kapag nandito ka, you'll see the Mount Makiling. Wow. Wow. I say wow. Diba? Since sa mga adult things na dyan, no, sa mga nag-a-adult na talagang na-appreciate na yung greenery, no, mountain views, ganyan. Kasi it feels so peaceful, no, kapag nakikita tayo ng bundok or ng greens. Yeah. So, makikita nyo ngayon, yung pool natin is nililinis siya ni Kuya. No? So, sabi niya, everyday niya yan nililinis. Except Sundays, syempre. Pahinga ni Kuya yon. So, As you can see, the water is so blue. Right? Kasi malinis yung tubig and malinis yung tiles na nasa ilalim. Kasi maintain siya. And the gazebos, no, parang bago pa rin. Yan. And the whole clubhouse itself. Yan. Wide lang natin para mas makita nyo. Lots natin here is a 120 square meter lot area. No? So yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, siya din yung may sariling makiling view. Another thing about this subdivision, their minimum lot size starts at 72 square meter lot area. Every 3 weeks sila naggagapas ng mga damo.